Hello, what is up, YouTube? It's Mar Rodriguez here, bringing you another beginner Python tutorial video. This time we're going to be talking about Booleans and comments, and this is actually a special edition video, actually more like a degenerate edition video, because we only care about two things and two things only, and those being 1, speed, 2, entertainment. And why, you may ask? Well, I need to keep y'all's attentions because y'all's attention spans are smaller than my dick, so yeah. Also, since we care about speed, this video is actually officially sponsored by Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow, we are speed. Now, cue the crab rave. So now we're going to be explaining Booleans. So what is a Boolean? Well, that's a good question. What is Boolean? And here it is. Booleans represent one of two values, true or false. Alright, so now we know what a Boolean. So here, I'm going to show you what a Boolean is here. So we're going to make a variable, we're going to call it MIK, and we're going to set it to true. So as you can see, it turns into blue because it's a keyword, which means that it's a Boolean value. And if you go over the MIK, it says right there, bool. So that's how you know it's a Boolean. If you go here, type in false, it also is blue because it's also a keyword. It's a word that Python understands, and it says, and if you put it next to, and if you hover the MIK, it says Boolean because it's a Boolean. If you want to see what you end up getting, if you print out MIK, you get false. Why? Because that's what MIK is, false. You can also see this with when you compare numbers. You can also compare variables. You can also see Booleans when you use the comparative operators, such as less than, equal, or greater than, or less than equal to, or greater than equal to. So if I did is 6 less than 9, and then we ran the program, it's going to say true, because 6 is indeed less than 9. But if we said is 6 greater than 9, we're going to get false, because 6 is not greater than 9. If we said is 6 equal to 9, if you do the double equal sign, it means is the number to the left and the number to the right, are they the same value? Just for clarification. And you're gonna get false because 6 does not equal 9. But if we did is 9 equal to 9, you're gonna get true because 9 equals 9. It's really easy, really simple. Booleans, very easy. This is why I got a 4-year degree in computer engineering and got into $80,000 in debt, so I can explain to you how to use this stuff.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Okay, so now we're going to be talking about comments. So what are comments, you may ask? Well, Google knows the answer to that. Oh, no. Oh, no. not that. So comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. That's a comment. Okay, so let's go see comments in action. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of this shit because we're done with that shit. And now we're gonna be talking about comments. So what is a comment? So comment is this. Is a comment. So if we put the hashtag symbol, everything that you put after it is not going to be read by Python. It's just garbage to Python. Comments are only made for us so we can read our code. So if I put the hashtag symbol and did this, that's a comment. If I did all this, oh, that's not a comment anymore. Did this, still a comment. As you can see, it's green in Visual Studio Code, and that means it's a comment. Usually you use comments just to like explain what your code is. So if I said this code is going to print I am cool. Unexpected indent.
Failure.
There you go. I am cool.
Success!
And then you have a comment up here saying that this comment is just meant to be, or this code is just meant to say that we are cool. Now let's say you have a piece of code that you don't want to be executed, but you don't want to delete it yet because you might need it in the future. You can just put the hashtag symbol in front of that line of code, and now Python won't even bother with it. It's just gonna print out I am cool. But let's say you wanted to uncomment it now because you want to run it. You just take away the hashtag and then you just run it. Now you get I am cool, and then you get your 69. It's that easy. The programming nerds only want you to think this is hard so you can keep paying them lots and lots of money. It's ridiculous. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe.